Hey guys, Brian here with AllGuard Windows and Doors located in beautiful Fort Collins, Colorado. And today in this video, I'm just going to be going over some brief introduction to Provia doors. We are going to put out another video that's going to have a full-on inspection of this door, but I wanted to just put some content out just so you can understand why here at AllGuard we only work with Provia for our entry doors. So a couple features that we love. Number one, probably the biggest, is going to be when we hit send and get your order in, they make that door custom. What that means is even for a standard size 32, 36 by 80, whatever it may be, they are not going to make that door until they receive that. Other door companies, builder grade doors, they keep jambs, frames, everything in slabs kind of already pre-made, and then once they get an order in, they just paint them and then send them out. What'll happen is, guys, you can have that door racking over time, warping, so by the time you get that door, it's already out of whack. With Provia, that will be made custom from the start when we put that order in. So it's a great feature that we love that no other company does. A couple other features as well is going to be the aluminum cladding that they have. So this is going to be aluminum trim coil. So behind here is 2-inch brick mold, just like you see on every other standard entry door. Provia takes it a step further by wrapping that with aluminum trim coil. We can get color match to the door. We can do some other different color combinations. They also send color match caulking so that that'll line up and have a nice, beautiful finish. Also down here, two features that we love down below. I'm gonna open this door up so we can get a better view. It's gonna be, they use composite jambs down at the base. That's where a lot of the issues on a lot of entry doors will take place. Wind, rain, snowfall accumulation will start to rot and crack this out. They've done away with that with the aluminum clad and then the composite jamb. Other feature here is gonna be the threshold. So Provia utilizes what's called a dynamic threshold. That means that it's going to fluctuate. Other thresholds are going to be static. That means they do not move. And the only thing keeping the air and wind out is going to be the weather stripping underneath the door. With Provia, they have a spring-loaded threshold so that when the door shuts, it snaps down and then will snap back up in there, giving it an airtight seal. Another feature we love. A couple other things as well. Here at AllGuard, guys, this does not come standard with Provia. We make it standard with us. So any entry door you order from AllGuard, we're going to utilize 4 hinges, not 3. That's going to help keep it a lot more secure and anchored, so you have a lot more longevity out of these doors. I'm going to grab the camera real quick and I'm going to show you a couple inside features that we like and then wrap this video up. All right. So we take a look in here, we got the M-Tech hardware. This came with Provia, we selected M-Tech. They have a couple other options as well. We can do Schlage, Wixset, so there's a couple options there. We went with the M-Tech hardware in that. Other feature inside on the interior, guys, is gonna be this casing. So this is Enzian Blue, the door. This casing came from Provia with a direct paint match, Enzian Blue. So as you can see, we have white baseboards, but then we have the casing to match the door, kind of really making this entry door stand out, what we like to call giving it couch appeal. So that's it, guys, for us. That's why we love Provia doors. Feel free to check out our other videos out. And if you'd like to learn more, please give us a call and schedule a free in-home consultation.